Italy, one of the prestige countries in the world or in Europe. The country is not only famous because of its fashion style or its summer holidays. It is also famous because of the high quality food they produce. And when we talk about high quality food, it all comes back to farming or agriculture. Italy is one country that plants a lot. And for that reason, the country is able to produce for itself and also to ship across Europe. In fact, most people got to know Italy about their plantation history. So in this video, we'll be looking at one of the cash crops that has placed Italy in the high level in the world. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm in Italy. Yeah, I'm in Italy, and this country is known to be a farming land. I know most of you guys know that. Or if you go to Italy, they do tomatoes, they do apple, they do whatever. Yeah, it's true. But this is what is helping the country. This is what is pushing the country forward. So this farm you see behind me is a very big farm, and it's not owned by the state. This is individual property, okay? And when you come to this area, Franciacorta in Lombardia, this zone or this area, everybody you see over here is a farmer. 90% of the individuals staying over here are farmers, and they grow grapes. This is grapes, locally known as uva in Italy. And what did they use this grape for? They use it to do vino or wine. So the wine that you've been drinking, that you say, oh, I want Italian wine. Italy has the best wine. This is the farm. These are the grapes that they use to prepare that wine for you. So you see, the land is blessed with good soil, and the individual, the citizens inside the country are utilizing it. They are really making good use of the land. So I believe after watching this video, you also have an idea of venturing to farming. So the man was explaining to me the other day that this farm over here, or this tree, this uva tree has been here for 15 years, okay? So when they first planted this, it took them 3 years for the tree to grow. And after 3 years, they've been harvesting till now, 2022, okay? So it comes in season. So April, that's when the fruits start to come. And it's August, September, they do the harvesting. So this over here is like a cash crop farm. 15 years they've been only harvesting for 15 good years. Like, it's crazy. And again, it was a family business. You know, most of companies in Italy, or this farming business in Italy, were started by their parents. So when they die, the family or the children will take over, and they also try to make sure that they don't make, or they don't squander all the money that the parent left. They also try to improve and to expand the business. Any food stuff you buy in Italy has that good quality, whether being tomatoes, apple, whatever. And it's this same season to this what do you call it, maize plantation going on. I did some shots of video in the maize plantation. I wasn't able to have that close shots of it, but there's a huge land of maize plantation. They have other kind of plantation as well. Man, Italy is blessed with the soil, good soil and everything, which is really incredible, and I love it. I just love Italy, yeah, because this place or this country, man, can't go wrong with it. So after they've harvested the uva or the grapes, they now sell it to the states or to companies. But this farm over here, the owner also reproduces or redo the wine by himself. As I said earlier, I did a video 2 days ago, but I don't know what happened. I lost all the video files. Yeah, so after harvesting, the leaves will dry up, and from April to August it will come again, and they do harvesting around September. Yeah. Very big farm. Yeah, and it's been planted like this to allow air to penetrate or to pass through. So it's kind of air. The air is also helping the trees to produce more fruit. Okay, so space, air passes through, circulation and everything. That's what it's called osmosis and the impetus of alcohol. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, and tell a brother. Cookie with Sindaco. Let's do this. Alcohol. Go on.